Transitioning from studying kanohi ki te kanohi face-to-face or a mix of blended learning to online study can be challenging. This introductory Learning Bite session focuses on ways that you can set up for online study at home. Number 1. Treat your online course like a real course. Have the discipline to sit down and say to yourself, I will master this, and model the dedication to follow through. If you have not already done so, bookmark the Whare Wānanga Learning Management System, the LMS, on your device so you can sign in and find your course in just under 5 clicks. Then spend a bit of time viewing the dashboard, navigating your way around, and check out the help files that are accessible via the Whare Wānanga Help Desk. While you can be flexible as to when you choose to study, you cannot really afford to miss deadlines, to procrastinate, or surf and search endlessly. Number 2, hold yourself accountable. How you manage your time will depend on your life schedule, your learning style, and your personality. So keep a diary, set goals for each piece of work, and check in with yourself and, if possible, a study buddy each week too. Map out your study schedule using Outlook calendar, portioning certain hours to reading, watching any online lectures, completing tasks, preparing for assignments, and participating in forums. Make good use of Office 365. That includes Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and commit to ensuring your online coursework forms part of your daily routine. When preparing for assignments, you might want to try time blocking, allotting yourself a set amount of time between 20 to 40 minutes for an activity with a break of 5 to 10 minutes between before moving on to the next one. Preset an online timer to keep yourself tasked and fully accountable. Number 3, designate a study space and stay organised. Set up a dedicated learning environment. If you continuously complete work there, you'll establish a very sound study routine. When setting up, make sure that you have your computer, laptop or device and any accessories, an extension cord and multi-plug if necessary, the required books and stationery items, Post-it notes. These are great for temporarily tagging ideas to your computer or device. Headphones for listening to lectures and discussions in shared spaces. High-speed internet connection. And a study light is optional. Check your device as you might be able to adjust the light and view settings for nighttime activity. Regardless of where you choose to work, consider turning your cell phone on silent or off when studying to avoid losing focus every time a text message or notification pops up. There are a number of online apps that you might also find useful for productivity and time management purposes. Number 4, establish how you learn best. If you're a morning person, set the alarm on your device to study first thing. More of a night owl? Cast aside an hour or two after dinner to cozy up to your laptop. If you're a visual learner, print out the transcripts of any video lectures to review. Otherwise, clip or snip the content on your device as screenshots, then save and view them later as images. If you learn best by listening, use the recorder on your phone or portable device to capture content. Then you can conveniently carry and review the audio often at your own pace. Number 5, actively participate. Listen attentively and participate with purpose to asynchronous, not in real time, discussion forums alongside your pauako and your peers. Find out more when you can about online netiquette, that is, acceptable ways of participating online. Write any interesting forum aspects down on post-it notes and temporarily tag these to your device. When you've gathered your thoughts and have crafted an informative response, post to the forum. Use Zoom open conferencing to chat when needed, and if you have a question, ask for clarification. Number 6. Leverage your network. Most online courses are built around the concept of collaboration, with Pauako actively encouraging tauira to work together, build relationships with others, and consider the idea of creating a virtual study group. Your peers may appreciate the idea just as much as you. Number 7. Reach out for help. Online study may sometimes make you feel like you are learning on your own, so it's really good to keep in regular contact. Your pauako should always be your first point of call for study guidance and assistance. In terms of tertiary support, if you need access to the library services, you can call the 0508 number or email the library directly. The team at Awhi Tauira can help you with study skills or time management. They also provide academic tertiary training and pastoral care. Get in touch with Awhi Tauira Support Services by calling the 0508 number or emailing them directly. And if you need online assistance with Whare Wānanga or access to any of the help files, you can visit our help desk or click the Contact Us button that is on every course page. You can email the help desk or you can contact our help desk team on 0508 392 6264. Should you have any questions relating to this video or any of our services, do not hesitate to email helpdesk@airwananga.ac.nz. Mauri ora whānau, kia ora.